guys, and welcome to another episode of Disappointing Your Parents. It's DMZ TV, and I'm your host, DeMarco. And today, I got my co-host with me,
the friendly neighborhood brown guy, Zane. And today on Hookah 101, we're gonna go over dark leaf tobacco.
Now, before we start, this episode's brought to you guys by, of course, Sarkozy. They sent us, what, like 15? God, yo. We've been smoking this for about 3 weeks now, and all I have to say is it's amazing. Nothing but positive thoughts about it. You've been dabbling with dark leaf lately, huh?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of new to the dark leaf thing right now, but just that nicotine hit you get out of it, you just can't compare with the other kind of tobaccos. You just can't. You just can't.
I love it. I love dark leaf. That's what I prefer to smoke most of the time. So this is like a candy store for me. Yo, but I'm ready to pack, bro. You ready to pack?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get the packing. Shout out to Bang for hydrating me during these dark leaf days. All right, let's get the packing. And hookah's packed at the speed of light, of course. Now, me and Zan are smoking out of our Telemon hookah bowls that were sent to us via care package. Shout out to Telemon. Spasiba. Boy, speaks that Russian, bro. Now, just a brief overview of what I did, guys. I started with a fluff overpack, and I massaged it to cover those all those air pockets in there. I massaged into a semi-dense, of course, meaning that it's not exactly super dense to the floor because I can actually still squish it down more. Just, you know, semi-dense, you get what I'm saying? Now, always pack it even. It has to be even, no slopes at all, of course. And below the rim. Oh, almost dropped that bowl there. Below the rim, of course. Now, I'm gonna be smoking out of a HMD, heat management device, with 3 coals, of course. The new Cloud Lotus, yes sir. And I'm using Coco Souls coals. Big shout out to those guys, of course. And you already made your bowl, didn't you, Zane?
Yes, I did. I went with the more traditional route. I did the same pack, the fluff to semi-dense, but on top, instead of the heat management, I went with the more traditional foil. 4 circles of holes with 1 in the middle to avoid the flex of the foil.
Yes, sir.
And then we're gonna run the same 3 Coco Soul coals in a triangle pattern. And
yes, sir.
Ready to do it?
Time to smoke.
Let's do it.
Let's smoke. Coals are on top. Now we let them heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Got the hookahs ready, of course. Now I'm smoking Sarkozy melon. What you smoking over there,
And
Zane?
I have the Sarkozy pink grapefruit.
Now we kept it Russian, of course. Privyet. Russian. I'm smoking the Matte Pear Simple.
And I have the VZ Brass Hookah.
Yes, and it's amazing. It's time to smoke.
It's heavy too.
Yeah, it's heavy. It's heavy as hell. Cloud test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm getting it's like it's a strong melon. Like it's straight to the face, like strong melon. Like amazing. Nice slice. It's not candy, not a candy profile, it's like a melon profile. It's very melony. And it's sheesh. What you got over there? How's that
Mine's
taste?
a little bit more on the candy side. It tastes similar to sour sweet tarts. With a little grapefruit hint to it.
Yummy,
I like
yummy,
it.
yummy, yummy. I like it too. Now this is the buzz from this. The difference between blonde and dark is dark has a lot more nicotine in it, so that you get that buzzy feeling. That's why I smoke. I like that buzz feeling when I smoke. I love this feeling all loopy. One more hit, one more big cloud. Oh yeah. Oh yummy, 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 yummy. Well, there you have it, folks. Big shout out to Sarkozy sending this amazing dark leaf tobacco. Yo, hit the spot. Big shout out to Bang for hydrating me. No, this is your first time smoking Sarkozy,
It
right?
is. And honestly, for dark leaf, really good. Big clouds, great flavor profile. That's all you can want from a good hookah.
Yes, sir. Yes. Plus, thumbs up. From ass to gas, what would you give Sarkozy?
Definitely gas. Definitely gas.
Gas, Sarkozy
Lots
got
of
the
gas.
gas. Now, of course, guys, don't forget, smash that like button.
Hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget the little bell at the top for all the latest notifications on all our videos coming out. Now, of course, it's your boy DeMarco.
And it's Zane.
And this is DMZ TV, and we are out. You guys ready?
I guess.
If you were a woman, I'd strike you, Zane. 2, 3.
Fuck. Yeah, I was gonna say. Alright. Alright, wait. Okay, let me compose myself.
friendly neighborhood brown guy, Zane. Shit. Forgot the whole next part. Wow. Alright, sorry.